New research from Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis about muscle weakness and possible treatment. WashU researchers reveal how brain inflammation triggers extreme muscle weakness across several diseases, including viral infection, bacterial infection, and Alzheimer's disease. In studies involving fruit flies and mice, scientists have identified a possible way to now block muscle fatigue from various diseases, including long COVID. According to the School of Medicine, for unknown reasons, patients with brain inflammation often develop muscle problems that seem to be independent of the central nervous system. But now, their research reveals that when the brain is exposed to inflammatory proteins, the inflammatory process causes brain cells to produce an immune-related molecule called interleukin-6, which travels throughout the body through the bloodstream. The researchers found that interleukin-6 in mice and the corresponding protein in fruit flies reduce the energy production in the muscle's mitochondria, which is the energy factories of cells. Shown here are fruit fly muscles. The purple staining is the mitochondria in muscle cells, producing energy. On the left is a healthy muscle, and on the right is a muscle exposed to interleukin-6 from disease. The study points to potential targets for preventing or treating muscle weakness related to brain inflammation. The researchers found that interleukin-6 activates what is called the JAK-STATpathway in muscle, and this is what causes the reduced energy production of mitochondria. According to WashU researchers, several therapeutics already approved by the FDA for other diseases can block this pathway. JAK inhibitors, as well as several monoclonal antibodies against interleukin-6, are approved to treat various types of arthritis and manage other inflammatory conditions. According to WashU, the hope is for clinical research into the pathway to see if existing treatments can help treat muscle wasting, sometimes associated with inflammatory diseases, including Alzheimer's disease, long COVID, and bacterial infections.